I wake up at 7 a.m. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I fold the blanket. I open the window. I brush my teeth. I turn on the tap. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I turn off the taps. I take the towel. I wipe my hands. I dry my hairs. I comb my hair. I prepare breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I check my phone. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I clean the stove. I clean the sink. I dust the furniture. I dust the shelves. I wipe the mirror. I dust the fan. I turn on the stove. I wash the dishes. I open the fridge. I feed the dog. I sit on the sofa. I read a book. I turn the page. I feel tired. I lock the door. I turn off the lights. I go to bed.